We've got mail today. Amazon came through, y'all. We about to unbox some softbox lights. Let's get it. So I got anxiety today and I'm just sick of it. I think I know why I have it. So the box is pretty long, very light, very lightweight, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and show y'all what it looks like. This is from Amazon, some softbox lights from Amazon. So say hey to my bird, he over there chilling. Phopik, support at phopik.com. This is the box. Ooh. It's supposed to be 2 in here, I believe. If I can pull this out. Great, great. So I have this pouch here, cute little pouch with all of the items in it. This stuff is, cause I got some soft blocks from another company. And, you know, they kind of just had them thrown in the box. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool. Here's that with the cord attached, and then the piece that goes on top of it. Same thing in here. Oh, let's see, 2 bulbs right here, and then I believe these are the stands. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and assemble these really quickly. And y'all, what I am thankful for, the little stems in here are already, like this shade thing, I don't know what you call it, it's already put together. Some companies make you put this whole thing together on your own. This is already put together. And that's the hardest part, putting those, inserting these, y'all. I'm super appreciative that this is together already. Like so. And the bulb is gonna go in there. This doesn't really have any instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. And then you just rotate this little piece out here, stick her on. Let's see. Come on out. Oh no, this probably is the wrong way. Now my bird is like, what is she doing? I don't know. Oh, I know. Okay. Let's keep pulling it out. All right. She is on, and I'm gonna tighten her up. Like so. And I like how wide these legs go. You can go in and out. Make it as wide as possible so it doesn't tilt over or anything. Tighten this back up. Boom. There's the inside there. So now we have to put, I guess, the bulb in. Ah, sweet remotes. That's great. So here's the bulb. You're supposed to take this off. Yeah, the top comes off. Okay, so I'm gonna put my bulb in real quick. Ow! Gosh. I think it's in now. Has these little settings with the up and down button to the side. You can pretty much make it however you want. And you can power off. Wow. Legit. 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 I love it. So y'all, this remote can operate either one. You just have to really like point towards the one you want, you know, to do something. You can operate that one. You want both of them on, it does that. But it does come with 2 remotes, so just letting y'all know that. So yeah, that's how they look right there. I need to go put them in my studio. Once my studio gets cleaned up, I'll definitely switch out my old ones and put these in.